Hey, this is Andrew Brown, and we are taking a look at Amazon Athena, which is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data directly from S3. I love this service. It is super useful. It's as if your bucket is your data set for your database, and you can query against it. Athena is based off the open source distributed query engine Apache Presto, which technically is true, but when this first came out, as far as I understood, it was based off of Presto, but now I understand it's based off a fork of Presto. So Athena can do two things. It has Athena SQL, which lets you run SQL queries on an S3 bucket. Athena uses 10-row SQL. I have no idea if that's the proper way to pronounce it, but that's the name of it, which is a fork of Apache Presto. And that bunny is the logo for 10-row. It can be commonly accessed via the AWS Management Console to enter queries. So that's generally how you'll want to use it. You can programmatically use it, but usually I just use it in the UI in this case. The JDBC or ODBC drivers can be utilized to interact with Athena. If you don't know what those are, they're Java interfaces for querying things to databases, okay? You can query it with the AWS CLI or SDK, which is probably a very common use case programmatically. The other part of Apache is it has Apache Spark on Amazon Athena. So Athena used to just be Athena SQL, it was just called Athena. And so now they have this Amazon Athena with Apache Spark. So this is where you can interactively run data analytics using Apache Spark. You access everything via a Jupyter compatible notebook with Apache Spark. So you basically are writing code in a notebook. Athena is serverless, so you only pay for what you use. Athena integrates with the following AWS services. So we have CloudFormation, CloudFront, CloudTrail, DataZone, ELB, so that's Elastic Load Balancer, EMR, AWS Glue Data Catalog, IAM, QuickSight, S3 Inventory, Step Function, Systems Manager Inventory, VPC. I want to point out that for Amazon Athena, there are exams like, at least in the past, we could say like the security certification, where it was very important to know what could actually connect to Athena and what Athena could like dump its data to and things like that. So that is very important to know. So understand the application integration of Athena is super important. So just try to know that as best you can, okay?